Listen, are you completely over missing due dates and getting slammed with those ridiculous late fees on your utility bills? Well, what if I told you there is a simple set it and forget it solution that can literally eliminate that entire mental load? Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the absolute ultimate guide to automating your CenterPoint Energy bill so you never, ever have to worry about it again. Let's be real for a second. Manually managing bills every single month is just a massive hassle, right? You're remembering passwords, you're digging through piles of mail, you're rushing to log in right on the due date. It's just unnecessary stress in an already crazy busy life. Autopay is, without a doubt, the ultimate stress-free solution to put your energy bill on complete autopilot. It's going to save you time and keep your finances running smoothly. So, here is our roadmap for today's explainer. We're going to kick things off with the benefits of CenterPoint Autopay. Then we'll walk through a step-by-step setup guide. After that, we'll cover troubleshooting for when things just don't go according to plan, followed by some insider best practices to manage your account like a pro. And finally, we will wrap up with your most frequently asked questions. Okay, let's jump right into Section 1, the benefits of CenterPoint Autopay and why you should absolutely automate this part of your life. The biggest takeaway here is the sheer peace of mind this program gives you. First off, and most importantly, you will never miss a payment or a due date again. It completely removes human error from the equation. Second, it really simplifies your household budgeting because you know exactly when that money is leaving your account. Third, and I love this one, there are absolutely zero convenience fees for direct bank drafts, so it's a totally free service. And lastly, you keep complete visibility and control over your transactions. Your bank statement will clearly show the payment, keeping you firmly in the driver's seat. Moving right along to Section 2, the step-by-step setup guide. Let's look at enrolling online, as well as a couple of alternative ways to get set up. All right, here is how you actually get this done. This is the exact 5-step process to enroll using the online desktop portal. Step 1, you're going to log into your My Account portal over at centerpointenergy.com. Step 2, look over to the side of your dashboard and find the Billing and Payment Options panel. Step 3, just click the Autopay link. Step 4, you'll select your funding source, so checking or savings, and type in your bank routing and account details. And finally, Step 5, confirm the authorization terms and hit Submit. Honestly, it is incredibly straightforward. Now, maybe you're not a desktop person. No problem. You've got 2 great alternative methods. First, we have the mobile app setup. This one is highly secure using biometric login, like your fingerprint or facial recognition. You just pull up your target property, tap the 3-dot drop-down menu next to your utility service, and select Autopay. Boom, done. On the flip side, for those who prefer the classic route, there's the paper mail-in setup. You just grab your physical monthly statement, flip the payment stub over, sign and date the printed Autopay contract, and mail it right back with a voided bank check in the provided return envelope. They really made sure everyone's preferences are covered here. Up next is Section 3, Troubleshooting Setup. Let's talk about solving common issues because, look, sometimes technology just has a few hiccups and you need to know exactly how to handle them. Have you ever registered for a new online account, logged in, and immediately seen a frustrating access pending message? Yeah, it happens. This is actually a super common hurdle for new users. If you see this, seriously, don't panic. CenterPoint is just verifying your identity behind the scenes. They're making sure your name, date of birth, or social security number matches their records so they can safely link your service address. Now, this verification typically takes about 24 to 48 hours. But if that status is still hanging around after 2 business days, you should definitely call customer service so they can just manually clear that hold for you. Okay, here's another potential snag. What if you set everything up perfectly, but a payment fails or seems to have gone missing? If that happens, here is your quick, actionable checklist. First, double-check your routing and account numbers for typos. Honestly, that is the single most common mistake people make. Second, if you happen to be using a card, double-check that the expiration date hasn't passed. Third, hunt down your transaction reference codes and dates so you have a solid record to point to. And fourth, if the funds were definitely pulled from your bank, but they just aren't showing up on your CenterPoint account, call their automated 24/7 phone system immediately at 1-800-332-7143. Actually, you might just want to save that number in your phone right now. All right, moving into Section 4, Best Practices. Let's look at how to manage your account like an absolute pro, so overdrafts and billing surprises become a thing of the past. I absolutely love this pro tip. The source material heavily recommends this brilliant combo. Pair your Autopay with paperless billing. When you do this, you receive an email preview of your statement 10 to 14 days before the actual payment date. That is huge. It gives you this massive, comfortable window to review your energy usage and adjust your budget expectations way before a single dime leaves your bank account. When you set it up this way, Autopay just slides perfectly into a healthy financial routine. Check out this monthly timeline. 10 to 14 days out, you get your bill preview to review your usage. Then, right on around your due date, the automated deduction clears without you lifting a finger. And for 30 days after, you just hang on to your digital confirmation numbers for your own record keeping. It is just a highly organized, totally stress-free cycle. Okay, time for our final major section, FAQs. We are going to rapid fire through your top questions to clear up any lingering confusion you might have about the whole program. So this is undoubtedly the number one question people ask when setting up automated payments. Are there any hidden, sneaky convenience fees for using Autopay? Let's clear the air on this right now. Well, it completely depends on your payment method. If you link a checking or savings account for a direct bank draft, which is known as an ACH transfer, there is a $0 fee. Yep, completely free service provided by CenterPoint Energy. But if you decide to use a credit card, a debit card, or an alternative digital wallet, those are processed through an external third-party gateway. And that third-party vendor is almost certainly going to charge a convenience fee, which is typically around $2.60 per transaction. So, pro tip, stick to a direct bank draft if you want to keep it 100% free. Next question. What if you set it all up, but then your financial situation changes? Can you cancel or modify your Autopay preferences? Absolutely. The most important thing to know here is that you are never permanently locked in. You always maintain total control of your money. You can adjust your payment method or just cancel Autopay entirely at any time directly through the online portal. Just keep one detail in mind. Your requested changes usually take about 1 to 2 business days to fully take effect in their system, so just plan accordingly. Okay, one last more serious question. What if a past due balance has already led to a dreaded disconnect notice? Is Autopay going to fix that immediately? If you're facing a service interruption, listen up because you need to act fast before setting up future automation. First, pay that past due balance right away using an instant credit method, so like a credit card online or over the phone. Second, once you've paid, submit your payment confirmation number via the portal or phone system to trigger a reconnection request. And here's the good news. For digital smart meter reconnections, this whole process is often completed on the exact same day. Once you are safely back online, then you go ahead and set up Autopay to ensure you never have to deal with a missed payment again. So, what do you think? Are you ready to automate those energy bills, save yourself a ton of time, and finally eliminate those annoying late fees? By setting up Autopay, you really aren't just paying a bill, you're taking back your time and securing total peace of mind, month after month. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Look, taking just a few minutes today to set this up is going to save you hours of hassle over the coming years. As a final quick reminder, please make sure to verify all current setup requirements, fees, and billing policies directly with CenterPoint Energy, because utility terms and those vendor processing fees can always change over time. Stay focused, get automated, and I will see you on the next explainer.